Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Now we have Infiniti 2007. The key look like have an issue, but good news is that we see the ignition is coming on, but the car doesn't want to crank. We put the key there. So let's try, and if you notice, we have a light, security light stay on. So we are trying to check it and see what happened. He misplaced the key for a couple of days. He found it, and when he tried to use it, it doesn't want to work. When I try to read the key, it doesn't read. Like there is no any chip information on it. But the steering lock is still open. So let's try to go in and see what happened or what is the solution. Accept. Okay. So this is Infiniti. I gotta go by VIN just to make it easy. I'm supposed to communicate with the car correctly. If there is no communication, you see here, no communication with the car. Something else maybe happen. VCI is okay, but no communication with the car. That's why maybe. Yeah, we are communicating now. I see the VIN number. Turn the hazard light on. Okay. Driver door lock, unlock. Scanning the car. Okay, imo scan. Smart module, you have 7 faults. That's too much. Okay, imo learning. Smart key learning. Okay. Turn the key on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blinking good. Say okay. Take the key out. Press next. Insert. Push it. Okay, take it again. Push it back again. Take the key on. Push it again. Take it again. Ignition on. Nothing happened. Take the ignition out. Take it out. Push the brake. You don't have booster. Battery is dead. Cancel. Everything is done. Now I want to see if I can remote control learning this transmitter. Takes ignition from off to on position. Fail. High key. That's not the one. I believe this one's supposed to work as soon as you finish. It's supposed to work right away. I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, open the hood. I'm gonna put a jumper on it, and then we see what happened. It's supposed to, when you program it, it's supposed to work right away. Everything's supposed to work together. So we're gonna put the cable. That's the heavy duty one.
Yeah, 1 gig.
I had one like this before.
Yeah, I have a trucking company, so I use them for my truck.
That's a very good.
Yeah.
I have the same one too.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna give no gas because there is a noise of lifters. I don't know what happened for the door lock, unlock, whatever it is. Maybe there is a problems. Fault, smart key module, I have 7 fault. Steering lock unit, ignition power, vehicle speed shifter. Oh my goodness, 39 time communication line. Shift position, star power supply. Clear.
You have to reprogram the battery?
No, I'm just trying to check a lot of codes here.
Okay.
I want to see what it is to delete them.
Okay.
Yeah, cylinder number 4 must 5, clear it. BCM 1 fault. Nuts, antennas. Yeah, we have antenna issue. Okay. We don't have nothing now. Remote system. This is not for this car. This one, if you do it, it's supposed to work. I don't know why it doesn't want to start. See when you try to start, it doesn't want to start. But when you put it in, you take it. This battery is very weak, but at least the car is start. So we're gonna leave it like this. You gonna move it now?
Huh?
You wanna move it now because this battery is weak. I turn it off. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to start.
Let it charge for a while.
I don't know unless if you have to take it to the garage and let it put charge from the garage charger. This one, or you may have to change the battery completely one time.
Okay.
Yeah, because this alternator may not charge it for you. Okay.
All right. So what did you do? You read.
I give you another one. That one doesn't work.
I
tested there. I have no signal. I give you another one.
So this don't unlock and lock the door?
Yeah, you have problem with the car itself. This car wiring or anything is no good. Because as soon as you program it, it's supposed to lock and unlock the door. It's supposed to work, but it doesn't. And I see one antenna code. The antenna are like those take the signal to send it into the car.
Okay.
So, but the more important is start. That one, it doesn't have no. The steering lock is open, but it doesn't have no immobilizer, no reading. So it looked like water got into it, dry out and messed up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but at least we are happy that the car is good now. Thank you.
Right.